Later that same day, President Truman addressed the world, solemnly declaring that if Japan did not surrender,
if they do not now accept our terms, they may expect a rain of ruin from the air, the like of which has never been seen on this earth.
Despite the unprecedented destruction, Japan's leaders, paralyzed by internal division and disbelief, still did not offer surrender. So the decision followed to drop another atomic bomb. On August 9, 1945, 3 days after Hiroshima was destroyed, another meticulously planned atomic bombing mission took off from Northfield Air Base on Tinian Island, aiming to compel Japan's surrender. This time, 6 B-29 aircraft were assigned specific roles. The primary aircraft, a silver B-29 named Boxcar, piloted by Major Charles Sweeney, carried Fat Man, a plutonium-based implosion-type atomic bomb, far more sophisticated and powerful than the uranium-based device used on Hiroshima. The Great Artiste was tasked again with blast measurement instrumentation, while Big Stink was assigned photographic documentation. 2 weather reconnaissance planes, Enola Gay, monitoring conditions over Kokura, and Lagin Dragon, checking Nagasaki, flew ahead, and a spare aircraft Full House returned early due to technical issues and did not proceed to the target. Shortly after takeoff, Boxcar faced a significant problem. A fuel transfer pump failed, leaving around 640 gallons of fuel unusable. Meanwhile, Big Stink failed to correctly make the planned rendezvous over Yakushima Island, south of the Japanese mainland, flying at the wrong altitude and executing long dogleg patterns rather than the briefed tight circles, causing confusion and delay. The formation proceeded toward Kokura, their primary target. Upon arrival, visibility was critically impaired, partially due to clouds, but mostly because workers at the nearby Yahata Steelworks deliberately burned coal tar to create thick black smoke, intentionally obscuring the city from bombing raids. Boxcar attempted 3 separate bombing runs over Kokura, each unsuccessful as Bombardier Captain Kermit Bayhan struggled to visually confirm the aiming point. Adding to their urgency, increasingly accurate Japanese anti-aircraft fire bracketed the aircraft. Eventually, after the 3rd failed pass, the crew abandoned Kokura for their secondary target, Nagasaki. The failed attempt on Kokura later gave rise to the phrase Kokura's luck, referring to narrowly escaping disaster without even realizing it. As Boxcar turned southwest toward Nagasaki, fuel became critically low. Although the crew had agreed beforehand that landing with a fully armed atomic bomb was too risky, making ditching the Fat Man at sea preferable, it was decided that radar bombing over Nagasaki could be performed if visual targeting failed, with jettisoning as a last resort only. Shortly before 11 a.m., the formation arrived over Nagasaki.